Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Buick LaCrosse 2010 to 2016? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2012 Buick LaCrosse houses and protects the vehicle's essential fuses and relays, ensuring proper electrical function for critical systems. It is designed for easy access, allowing quick inspection and replacement of fuses when needed. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2013 to 2016 Buick LaCrosse organizes and safeguards the car's vital fuses and relays, supporting reliable operation of key electrical systems. It is conveniently positioned for easy access, making fuse inspection and replacement straightforward. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2012 Buick LaCrosse manages and protects fuses for interior and convenience electrical systems, such as lights, audio, and climate controls. It is easily accessible, allowing quick inspection and replacement of fuses when necessary. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2013 Buick LaCrosse controls and protects fuses for interior and convenience electrical systems, including lighting, audio, and climate functions. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2014 to 2016 Buick LaCrosse manages and safeguards fuses for interior and convenience electrical systems, such as lighting, audio, and climate controls. Its accessible design allows for quick inspection and easy replacement of fuses when needed. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2010 and 2011 Buick LaCrosse protects and organizes fuses for rear electrical systems, including trunk lights and power outlets. luggage compartment fuse box in the 2012 Buick LaCrosse safeguards and organizes fuses for rear electrical components, such as trunk lights and power outlets. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.